Welcome everyone. Today I want to share an effective strategy how to achieve goals in your life. First of all, make a list of 5 important goals that you want to achieve in the next 1 year. Select those goals which matter to you or which are really valuable for you. Then from these 5 goals, further select one goal which you think is most critical and most important for your success. After this, make an action plan that what are the skills, abilities or efforts you need to achieve this goal. Start working on that action plan and you will see that step by step you are moving closer towards your goal. And when you see the progress, it motivates you, it energizes you to take more action and continue moving in that direction. However, after some time, a problem starts. When you reach a point where 80-20 rule is now applied, it means you are doing 80% of the efforts but achieve only 20% of the success. You feel disappointed, dejected, but never realizes one important thing, that by the time you reach this point, you have already covered most of the distance and overcome most of the problems. But you decide to give up and never reach your goal. On the other hand, the successful people, they know the magic of this point, which is called a take-off point. So they never give up, because just after this point, 80-20 rule is again applied, but this time it is applied in your favor. It means now you make only 20% of the efforts but achieve 80% of the success. That's why it is called a magical point. So my request is, once you reach this takeoff point, please don't give up, because after this point you will be accelerating towards your goal and your goal will be accelerating towards you. So use the magic of this point to successfully achieve the goals of your life. Thank you.